7 a.m. It's 7 a.m. guys. Yo, so I didn't sleep at all, man. I slept, I think, around 1:30. But yeah, sample I fail. Let's wake up, guys. Let's do my morning routine with me. So here, guys, I was just making the bed, preparing it actually so that I can be able to meditate, because every single day upon waking up, before I do anything, guys, I just drink a cup of water with Himalayan salt and then come back and sit on my bed with my crystals, depending on whichever crystal I resonate with that day, or whichever energy that I am trying to amplify, then I have my crystals, say my life chief aim, and start to meditate. So the first thing that I do, guys, immediately upon waking up, it's play multi-match. Before I go through my phone, guys, or before I put anything into my mind, I start first by clearing my mind and calming my mind. So let's meditate with me, guys. So when I meditate, guys, I just breathe in and out, focusing on my breath. For those who don't know what meditation is, so I start first by reciting my life chief aim. As now you can see, my head is still straight, but immediately after I finish reciting my life chief aim, I tilt my head upward so that my eyes can focus on my pineal gland. Hence, you can see me now. I have tilted my head. So this is what I do when I meditate, guys. And I meditate for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So I won't show you the whole 30-minute recording, because I didn't get to be able to pause the video as I was meditating. Yeah. Now my day can start, guys. Now my day can finally start. So yeah, guys, let me go and brush my teeth. If there's one thing that I loved so much about Villa Maroela, guys, it is how quiet it is, man. Like it is completely quiet. can just imagine this time it was around 7:30. But man, it was so quiet. And the air, guys, you should just go there and feel it for yourself. And more especially since I was sleeping at the top floor. So the breeze was just so beautiful, man. Lemkushi Shagar. Vexatatswa gold mine. Platinum mine. Ngushisha. Lidi diamond. Gwakisari polychanya. And let's guys, I forgot to ring. I have another bedroom. I should have went and brushed my teeth in my other bedroom, man. I forgot, guys. I forgot. Ish. We are not used to these privileges, man. Ish. So yeah, guys. Since I've sharpened my mind and my spirit, now it's time to sharpen the body, guys. That 40, 50, 60. Are you counting with me, guys? Right. if you want to like do a full body workout now, guys, just try this. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. You do them. You can start by trying to make 50. Just do 50, and then you will increase. When you reach 100, you have reached boss level. So yeah, guys, today it is day 2. It is day 2 at Villa Maroela Lodge. Day 2 and also my last day. So I'm pretty much sure by around 2, 3, 4 p.m. there, I'll most definitely be going home. So let me enjoy this couple of hours that are still left. It's still 8 a.m. So I still have time, guys. I still have time. You know what? Now you know the day is 30. And I do remember, guys, I told you already, here at Villa Maroela, they have everything. So guys, Villa Maroela, like, I did the most for me, man. I don't want to lie. I'm pretty much sure next time when I come here, I won't come alone, and this time I'll come with food that I'm going to cook, because here's a huge kitchen, guys. It has everything, you know, every single thing. And don't forget, guys, don't forget to take your teaspoon of sea moss. Hey, the weather just changed again, guys. And that time I wanted to go outside. So I had to wear a jersey nyana. I had to even wear a jersey, guys. You see how it is outside? The weather just it just changed. So yeah, let's go outside with me, take a walk now. As there are some areas which I wasn't able to explore yesterday, man. Yesterday was just a movie, guys. My one was just a movie, man. So I didn't really get to see a whole lot of things. So let me go and explore, you know, and also greet the people, since I've never seen anyone ever since today. There are birds there. A whole lot of birds. Do they want the heat from the corrugated iron sheets or what? So yeah, let's go with me to the shop, guys. That will be my first stop, and then after I'll see which way I'll go. Like for example, I haven't explored there. I haven't explored there. I just really haven't explored anywhere except for there by the hotel where my room was. Yes, please. So I see you also got macadamia oil here as well.
Oh no, it's fantastic.
Really?
Yeah.
It
is really awesome, especially when you make a steak. Even it's not so lucky when you make your baked egg.
Yeah. But when
it gives like a lovely taste to
the
food
meat.
as well.
Oh,
Yes.
or both the meat and the food as well. Okay. And yesterday I didn't really get to give the people a tour of the shop. Let me just do it right now.
Do.
Yeah. So you see, guys, like when you come to Villa Maroela, you don't even have to stress if like you're lacking things like what is sweet chili sauce, tomato sauce. Guys, storage is showing me movie. My storage is showing me movie, guys. You know, guys, it's my second day here at Villa Maroela, and my last day as well. And I'm just reflecting, man. I'm just reflecting about all of these experiences that I had here, guys. Oh. Like yesterday, yesterday, guys, felt like 3 complete different days all packed into one. You know, my experience of arriving at Villa Maruela, that's also an experience on its own. Like spending time here, and mind you, I've never really gotten time to like walk around yet. I believe I'll do that before I leave today, you know. But getting to do horse riding, man, I wish that experience could like just continue and not like come to an end. So it's something which I've always wanted to do for a very long time, guys. From ever since I was young, man. Ever since I was young, like I've always wanted to ride a horse, And yesterday I got to do that, man. And also, yesterday I was like able to get an opportunity to be as close as I ever was with lions. And I believe the first time I saw lions, guys, I was still young, and we were at Pilanesberg Nature Reserve, if I'm not mistaken. Featuring Briaga or Rabopi. Featuring Briaga, man. We got to see lions because we were in the nature reserve, but from afar. But yesterday I got to like Man, see them up close, get to touch a lion, but that yo. Le fatshe le ka no bulega nna ka tsena. So yesterday guys, and I didn't really like spend a whole lot of time with the lions, but I will most definitely like make a day where I know that day it is only for lions, you know. So yeah, I'm just like reflecting here, man, and just being so much appreciative and grateful for all of those experiences, you know. So yeah, guys, if you would also love to experience this, man, just come to Villa Maroela, and then you'll get to have like the most best and greatest experiences of your life. Yeah, at least guys, I try to like delete nyana. I tried to delete some more. So let's see if I'll be able to like shoot content for part 4, which is just activities that I'll be doing today before I leave. So yeah, guys, the weather now is like this. It's drizzling nyana. I'm not sure if you are able to see it. It drizzles and stops and drizzles and stops. So now I'm going to bath again. Let me go bath nyana. After bathing, I'm going to give you all a tour of outside like I promised. And now really I was able to get like a guide. So they're going to be watching me around the yard to show me everything. So I'll be showcasing to you all guys every baby, everything guys. So now let me bath. Let me go bath in my other room. Let me go bath guys. Yeah, now I am done bathing guys. Yo, feeling fresh. So now I must get ready for today's activities, but before I want to pack. I want to pack first. Yeah, now I'm reporting live from my second room. So the second room also guys, it's just the same as like that other one. It's just that one, the hot water doesn't work. It only works this side. So I didn't get to sleep on this bed guys. It doesn't, but let me not say it doesn't look comfortable. I didn't even test it. So now guys, it's more really of me just packing and then going outside to continue the rest of the day. Before I leave, I must pack all of this taharach. No, some is taharach, some is not taharach. Again. Yeah. Now guys, now I am done. Now I'm done every single thing. I have packed my bag. I am done wearing. So now it's just more really of going outside. Hey, let me give you a white junior. It's more really of me going outside now, guys. You see, the weather is like changed. The weather has changed, guys. So now let's go and have a tour, guys. A serious tour this time, not your lame. So yeah, let me go and call my guide, because I have a guide, a designated guide, who's going to take me through the whole entire property, so that I can also showcase to you guys what they have to offer here at Villa Maroela. So yeah guys, today is day 2. It's day 2. So let's see what today has in store for us, guys. What activities will I be doing? I don't have anything. I know Mara, no expectations. I'll just see what today just has in store for me, man. What miracles has God prepared for me today. So yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. You see, even the weather, it's now. So yeah, let me take you outside, guys. Wooden furnitures. But it's nature though, it's nature. It is nature. So yeah, let's go, guys, let's go. The OTD. The OTD. Naletano mtiwelela na. So I'm just taking a moving picture on mission. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day today, guys. Day 2 at Maroela Lodge. Let's go. Yeah, now guys, we are outside. Guys. I was able to go and fetch Breda. So now it's going to take us around and show us all of these things. Check it, you can get some bread. What are these? Cottages.
Oh yeah, call it bungalows.
Oh, bungalows. So these are bungalows, guys, not cottages. I thought they were cottages. So we are going to start there first.
We call those cabins. Cottages also, but in other, like in a specific name, we call cabins.
Cabins as well. Okay. So you hear, guys, sorry. They are also called cabins as well. You see how submerged in nature this place is, guys. Like we are literally in nature, just nature surrounding you. Kana it's a game farm, right? Surround their animals surrounding us. It's a shed for night price.
Dry.
Yeah.
Put fire here, just
Yeah, this place rocks. Yeah, this rocks, Brian. For serious.
That's just a bush life.
Yeah. For bush life experience, guys. We also get that as well. So where are we going? Are we going there?
So maybe we can just go out here, then we can maybe take a look. It's just an artificial, it distribute the water to all the water ponds that are established beside the park.
Okay. So there are water ponds.
Yes, there's water ponds.
Okay. Hey, so we are going out of the gate, guys. I even see a giraffe there. You see, it's not a giraffe, man.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Why am I saying giraffe? Why do I just think of a giraffe? Oh, guys. Let's go. So it means those cabins, you will see them when we come back. Not now. Now we are going inside.
Small ponds that animals can just drink water from.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is
the
what?
main one.
It's the main.
Main dam. You just call it an artificial dam.
Oh.
It's a water reserve. You can just, if you want to get closer, you can.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's a reservoir. Oh, yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually the main reservoir, this one.
Yes.
Oh. Hey, yeah, that's very smart. That is very smart. So, like, how big is this whole area, my man? How many hectares?
It's about, I must say, it's about 14 meters.
Yeah.
And I must say, you can circle that's a diameter of about, how many feet? It's about, I must say 7 kilometer diameter when you're measuring it as a circle. Yeah.
Oh.
From point A to B, the diameter must be 7 kilometers.
Oh. And just, we are talking about just this area only.
Only, yes.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah, it's huge. I'd love for you to explain. You say which animals do you have so that people can know.
Okay, we have zebras here.
Okay.
We have wildebeest.
Yeah.
We have impalas.
Yeah.
We have waterbucks. We have bushbucks also, and we have a lot of bucks that are in here. We have kudu's also, but they are not plenty. Yes, and also the ostrich.
Yeah, I saw the ostrich is the only animal I saw today.
Oh yeah.
Even though I saw it
because
from
of
far.
the time, and yeah, they're still grazing out there, and they're just hiding. And also those caged lions that we have.
Yeah.
And what else? For the big animals, I don't know. We don't have any big animals like elephants. Buffaloes. We have buffaloes, but on the next farm.
Oh. Yeah.
And also giraffes. We used to have giraffes, but now just only two females and male. What else? I think that's also maybe snakes.
Yeah. Oh. So giraffes are there?
Usually they just go down there. Maybe I must say from here it's about, you can just walk about almost 3 or 2.5 kilometers where they used to graze actually. But sometimes they can just be here.
Okay, it's one of the ponds.
Yeah.
And it's very far from that main one.
Yeah, just about 1.5 kilometers.
Yeah. So there's still another one, also 1.5 kilometers away as well.
Yes, another one there, up there. Then also one there, then there was one up there.
So when people actually want to see the animals at 4:45, they
Yes,
must
it's a
come
good time,
to.
especially now we are approaching sort of winter or something. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
that's the good time.
Mm.
The water, like natural water point.
Yeah.
Anytime, anyway, than only these artificial ones.
Okay.
So that's when you can be able to see
them.
all of them. Yeah.
Hey guys, we just literally like took a small hike. Yeah. Around like how many kilometers could we have like walked now, my brother?
Like you mean from
The
where we are
gate,
coming
yeah.
from? Maybe I must say 1.8. Yeah, 1.8.
So we are just taking a small hike, guys. A small hike in nature. In nature. This place is very beautiful, my brother.
Yeah, if you want to relax yourself,
Yeah.
you need that quietness. Yeah, I recommend this such environment area also. Yeah, to experience something of
Like love to be in nature, immersed and submerged.
yeah.
It's perfect place for us.
Yeah.
Like, and it's spider web, no? It's very strong.
Oh, this one. This one's they call it. Just a. So how many legs there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six legs.
It's a very unique spider. I'm unable to focus on it. Oh, it's under a web. That's why it's. Oh. Hey. So do they still do that with the cows?
Sorry?
Do they still do that with the cows?
Not now, but yeah, some, like I must say, maybe after a long period of time,
Yeah.
they want to dip or to inject, yeah.
Then they will bring them here.
But mostly it was the beast, the wildebeest.
Oh no.
Yeah.
And the wildebeest will come and
To
do
catch the wildebeest, sometimes they can just leave this gate open. Some food
some
inside.
food.
So if they put those things, if they see like this wildebeest, maybe 4 or 5, something, they just close the gate.
Okay.
That's how they
Capture them.
Wildebeest.
Okay. I understand. So guys, we are back. Around how many minutes did we walk, Brian?
It's about, I must say, approximately nearly 15 minutes.
Hey, Mare.
Oh, less.
It feels more than that.
It's less than an hour.
Okay, it's less than an hour. I'll
Maybe
just
I must
check.
say 30 something.
I'll check.
Yeah.
What time did I take the first video as we were leaving here? So we could have actually taken a much longer walk, guys. But the problem is that I'm wearing jeans, man. I didn't know that we were going inside of the bush. I thought we were going to take a walk inside of the yard, So if I knew that, I was gonna wear sweatpants and we could have went even deeper into the bush, guys. But yeah, now, my jeans are not that dirty. So now we are going to take a tour inside, ne?
You want us to?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, now we are having a tour inside, guys, of the bungalows or the cabins. So in order for me, guys, not to make this video too long, I chose to end it here, guys. So go see part 5 in order to see the whole tour of Villa Maroela Lodge. The whole tour